Tomak exists for the customer. So if we're not helping the customer, it's not, we won't exist. So it's critical to this business that we make sure we're satisfying their needs, whatever those may be.
We are set up to manufacture parts that are more precise than most. Some of the tolerances we hold are 50 million cylindricity and 50 million sphericity.
We have invested in machines to make sure we're able to check those parts. There are about 29,000 manufacturing facilities in the United States. Of those, there is only 1,200 approved for AS 9100, which is the vast majority of the work we serve. We're in the aerospace market. 90% of the work we do is for that market. Therefore, that requirement is very important for them. So the customers know that when they come to Tomak, their parts are going to be right, their paperwork's going to be right, and we're following all the procedures time and time again.
Now we may ship 3 or 4 days worth of product in one delivery. We've made it clear to everybody in the business that that's one of our competitive advantages, that our on-time delivery will be superior.
The company is constantly looking for ways to move forward, to better themselves, to keep up with and stay ahead of the curve, whether it's technology or manufacturing trends, new manufacturing equipment, the 3D printer that we purchased.
We have people dedicated to watching the technology, to making sure that we are using, if not on the bleeding edge, close to the bleeding edge of technological capability. That results in 2 things that benefit our customers. We improve our efficiency every year because our equipment continually gets better, and the tolerance capability typically improves as the technology matures.
Tomak's been in the aerospace market since our founding, which was in 1953. So we have what I like to term as organizational memory. Organizational memory is very important to the customers because their internal people change a lot. So they don't always know what's critical. We can remember what's critical.
They have a higher turnover rate than we do, so sometimes when they're changing their quality department or their staffing, then we have to go back in with our history of the products that we've been supplying to them for 20, 30 years and kind of help our customers relearn some of the things about their own products.
Our product rarely comes back. We have a low defect rate. The safety of people that are flying are very important to Tomak, and everybody here, it takes a great deal of care to make sure that the parts we're sending meet the print.
Our machinists are looking at every part, they're handling them, they're deburring them, they're putting them in a box, then they go to final inspection where we have other people that are reviewing the parts. And then they go into the shipping department and they're handling every part, looking at every part, wiping it off, cleaning it off, putting it in packaging. And all those steps are potential areas where we can find a slight flaw.
They're all striving to make this one better than the last one and the next one better than the previous one and so on. And each time that a job is set up or a part is processed through the shop, the thought process is to try to make it better than the last time it went through, whether it's through efficiency or through better use of tooling, or whether it's productivity, whether it happens quicker. But anything to make it more efficient, less tool consumption, things like that, I think all those come into play.
Our machinists make it happen for our customers, and it is through their talents and efforts that we are able to satisfy our customers' needs, which at the end of the day is the objective of the business, to help our customers. We've been very regimented about investing in technology over the years, so our equipment is up to date, capable, and in great shape to deliver the close tolerance work that our customers expect of us.
Overall, I'm most proud that we keep planes in the air. Our customers come to us and come back to us because of the people, which is what makes Tomak different than any other machine shop in the United States.